Hey guys, Angie Herchuk here. I just want to show you how to send out an email to your list because once you start creating leads, you're going to want to send out emails to them. So here is Get Response. This is the main page of Get Response. You can go up here and you can go to Messages and hit Create Newsletter, or you can just click on here and it'll create your newsletter also. All right. If you want to do HTML, you can, but I always do the drag and drop email. So I click on that. It's going to open up an email, and then you want to put in your headline. So there's some in here already. I'm just going to use that. And this is what the top one is, what's going to appear in your list of your messages. And this second one is going to be the subject line for your email, which is pretty much the same. I mean, you can change up the one up top if you want. And then there's different emails addresses in here. So you click whatever email address you want to show where it's coming from. And down here you hit next step. Okay, and then it has a bunch of templates that you can send an email from. I always do the start from scratch. It has different templates also. So if you clicked on this one, it would have a picture first. But I go down to the bottom here and it has a blank template. So I use that one usually. And it'll give you a blank template here. And then on the side over here, you can start out with a picture. You can start out with text, or you can have a pre-header. I usually start out with text, sometimes a picture, but you just click it and you drag it over and drop it. You get rid of this Spanish here. And then you just put in your email. And I have one that I oops, I guess let's see. So if you have an email, I'll just show you. You can copy off of one that, I'm just gonna copy it here and paste it into here. So if somebody on your team member, if you have one, if you want to make one similar, but don't just copy and paste and just leave it as is, change it up to be, make sure that it is different, because if you send out the same email, then it'll just go to spam. So you want to change it up to be customized to you, okay? But you can kind of get an idea from other emails. And then you want to put in links. So say here that this is where my dreams, oops. Or say here, let me do this one. So you just highlight where you want to put a link, and then you go to this little link right here and you click it, and then that's when you put in your URL. And I have a couple of my URLs here. I'm just going to, and let me just say, you don't have to put your capture page here because you're sending out to your list. So you already captured their email. And you want to make sure that you don't put, grab a space, because it won't go to your link there. So I'm just going to copy that. And then go back. And then you just place it in here. It'll have that and T equals. Of course, I have in here email. So email. You want to make it taggable so you know where it's coming from. So I usually put email, the date in there, which is the 26th today. All right. And you click it, and there it highlights it blue. So now it's a clickable link. It'll go to your website. All right. Then you can drag and drop a picture. I always like to customize it and put a fun picture in there. So you drop it in there, you hit the center of it. Of course, it has different images, but you want to go to My Images. And if you want to upload from your computer, you just go to your photos. and grab a photo. Say I want to grab this one, and you just hit choose. All right, and it just takes a minute to drop it in here. There it is. I already used that one. So anyways, you click on whatever image you want to use, and it'll drop it right there. Of course, it's big, a big picture, so you just click on the image, and then you make it smaller by just adjusting it like that. Okay. And then you want to just bring up this box to underneath, like that. You can also make your image linkable. You just click on the image, and then there's the little link there. So if you, whatever you put, if you want to put a link in there, you can, okay? And that's it, your email's done. You know, a lot of times I'll do like 2 links or, you know, 2 to 3 links within my email. And then you want to test it. So first test the spam score. You don't want the spam score, let me just move this. You know, you don't want it usually goes up to 5, so you don't want, it's 1.1, so you don't want 2 or greater. So you want 1.1 with maximum allowed of 5, it says here. Okay, so you see what that score is, and it's 1.1, so that's good. And then you want to, oops, let me close that out. And then you want to test it. You want to send an email to yourself so you can check the link, see what it, you know, if everything's working, you have no spelling errors, and you hit the send text test message, and you can click on whatever email you want to send it to. So you want to send it to that email, you hit send, and that's, oh, I guess I'll do that so you can see. Oh no, okay. So that'll send you a test message, and then you check and make sure that everything's working, everything looks good, your links are good, and then you hit the next step down here. You can time when you want your emails to come out. So you click on whichever ones you want. Say I'm going to do that. And you hit down here, the next step. I'm gonna keep moving my picture around. And then you can schedule it whatever time that you want it to go out, or you can send it. So if you schedule it, it will give you an option to send it out at a, you know, a certain time here. Okay, and it has your time zones there. All right, so that's it. That's easy to do, and you know, I hope you got some value from it. Now you can send out emails. And also, if you aren't in my business and you're looking to see what I do on an online basis, and you know, just click the link below and have a look. And I hope to see you on the other side. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.